Hey everybody, it's Lillian. Thank you so much for stopping by. If it's your first time stopping by, hey girl, hey. And if it's not, if you're a repeat visitor, thank you so much for stopping by again. It is so good to see you. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Listen, today what I am getting into is this Makeup Forever HD Skin. They're calling it Skin. So I made sure, yes, I did my eyes, but I made sure that there was nothing on my face. I wanted to try this foundation and see if it's really skin-like. And I actually went online and allowed for them to tell me what color they thought would fit me. So if you're interested to see how this look is going to come out, please stick around.
There's so much about me, more than the eye can see, but I'm so glad to be no one to me.
I have this Makeup Forever HD Skin, and it is in the color 4N68. So I think that N is for neutral or natural or whatever, 4N68. Yeah, so there is 1 fluid ounce of this product, and I'll put the price on the screen. I think it was like $43 or $49. I don't know, one of those. But it's a very nice. I love the packaging. I think the packaging is really cute. It's different. All of the packaging for most of the foundations I have look like this. You know, they have, of course, the color here and then a black top. They look like this. You know, they have the black top. So this is a breath of fresh air. This is totally different. So when you look at your foundations, if you're a person like me that has more than one, you're going to look there and you're going to go straight into this one because it is so different with this chocolate mocha top. So I thought that was really, really cute. It does come with a pump, which is good. But it's saying that it is long wearing. And all of that. So I'm going to put some specs down in the description box as well. It says to make sure you shake it up. Make sure that you shake it up. So I'm going to make sure that I do that. Listen, I think that it says Undetectable Stay True Foundation. Undetectable. Okay. Well, let's see. All right. So I have I did wash my face. I'm going to go ahead and put just a little bit of this Nivea Cream just to have some moisturizer on my face. I've been using this lately, and I kind of started using this like on a fluke because I wasn't able to get to a Sephora and get the stuff that I wanted to get and all of that. And so I was just in Target and I said, well, let me try it because I saw how thick it was. It's a little thick for me, so I probably do need to get the soft kind. I think there's a soft where it's not as thick or greasy, but that gives me enough moisture. Even though I have oily T-zones and things like that, I have combination skin, I still like that. All right, so we've done that. I need some primer. Let me go into this. This is the Tatcha Canvas. I'm going to go into that. Tatcha Skin Canvas is on. I have not tried this foundation. I just took it out of the box and said I'm going to wait. So we all are going to see it together. This bottle looks very, very light for me. It almost looks like it is the same color as my this is my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet. This is my concealer for under my eyes. So I'm a little nervous. It looks a little light. So let's see. Let me put it here first. Back of my hand. Okay, it's looking a little light. It's looking a little light. Oof. Yeah, that doesn't look like it's gonna match. They said they thought it would. So let me get, this is the NARS D2. I'm gonna put the name on the screen, but it kind of matches me. So I'm just putting these two to beside each other so you can see. See that? So I don't know what they thought with this. I don't know. This is Mocha by Huda Beauty. I'm just squirting and squirting and squirting. Okay. See those? And I usually make this one work, but I really, really love the NARS. So I'm going to try it because their website said this is the color that you need. I'm going to try it. We'll see. But just on the back of my hand, which the back of my hand is not necessarily the same color as my face. But I'm going to try it and we'll see. Before I put the foundation on, I'm going to do what I usually do. What I usually do is I put a little bit of the MAC paint pot. I put a little bit here just to kind of feel those little areas. So I'm going to do that real quick. I'm going to do what I usually do. You know what I mean? Because I want to give the foundation a fair try. I've watched some YouTubers use it. And it's kind of mixed. Some people like it. Some people don't care for it. So, we'll see. That's really orange. But, I mean, it's always, this is Belle Epic. It's always orange for me. So, I'm just doing. Doing it how I do it. I really hope I like this. Okay, so I have my brush here. I'm just going to use one squirt here, and we'll see where that takes us. Okay, as you can see, it's a little runny, not very, not as runny as some of the skin tints and things like that. It's kind of staying in place, so that's good. Let's see. Alright. I should have just picked what I thought would work. Because look, the color is off. The color is off for sure. I had another one in a different color in my basket, and I said, well, let me just go with what they thought. Yeah, it's bad. Look. The finish is different. So what I am seeing, those 2 pumps, that was enough. For that part of my face. I'm going to do one more here. Just half a pump there. This is giving casket ready. I don't know. And I think that's because of the color. Yeah, I felt like it wouldn't go match real well. Now, the foundation, though, does somewhat get lost. Like, it's not, I don't feel like this foundation is sitting on my face. It's very light, very airy, but what do you guys think? I think it's off. It's given. I don't know. Sometimes these foundations and stuff like that, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. I'm going to go in with Katsina and try to finish the face, and then we'll talk. Okay, so talking about this foundation, I just finished my face because I wanted to kind of see how it could all come together. You know that I like to use bronzers. I use Katsina from Juvia's Place, and then Juvia's Place I use these, both of these bronzers, the deep dark, the top one, that top one, and then I use these two. I didn't even contour my nose. I didn't feel like I needed to do all of that to kind of figure out if the foundation works. The foundation, the formula is nice. The color is just wrong. So I'm going to have to make some adjustments and get a darker color. I think that I do like the undertone. The undertone is pretty yellow for me, and sometimes I can be pretty yellow, but during certain times of the month, my skin is weird. So during certain times of the month, I will get very red. So, but this foundation is just simply too light. I think it's simply too light. But it did come together. But I don't like seeing a big contrast between here and here. You know, between my face and here. So I tried to make it work, but as you can see, my chest goes right back into that light, that lighter shade. So I would say that the color match is like a 5. The color match was just, I just don't like it. So I would choose something different. So I'm gonna choose something different. I'll go to another shade. But as far as the formula is on. Like, I'm not even having a lot of transfer. What I use to go on top of my foundation just to set.
Sorry, I couldn't hear what you said.
Sorry. Okay, sorry about that. What I used to go on top of my foundation, I used some of this. This is Fashion Fair in Sultry Sepia. Okay, I used some of that, and then I used just a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury in Deep. What is it? In Deep 4. I used a little bit of that, and you know that this one will come in kind of light. It looks kind of light, but then when you put it on your face, it just kind of melts into your skin. So I use those two to go over this foundation to just see if it would work for me. And one thing that I'm noticing is the foundation is I think just the wrong shade. I think I may need 1 or 2 shades a little bit darker, and I think I can go from there. So if you enjoyed this video, I hope that you did. If you have tried this foundation, let me know. If you are around my skin tone, let me know what color you're using. This one is, again, this is 4 in at 6'8", but I'm going to go a little bit darker. So I'm going to try another one and see if it works. I actually ordered this one, so I'm going to have to send this one back, but I'll go buy another one. Anyway, so we've just got to kind of play around with foundations. I haven't really been going into Sephora as much, so I wanted to kind of see what it would look like if I just ordered it just cold, right? And so I'm noticing that it's not the exact match, but it's very close. They did pretty well, but I do like that it feels light. I do see that I am made up. You know what I mean? You can tell that you have foundation on, but I'm thinking that may be the color. So I'm going to try another one, and we'll just go from there and see if that works. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, I need for you to like it. I need for you to subscribe. I need for you to hit that bell notification. And I need you to comment down below. Let me know what you're using, what's working for you. And I will continue to make sure that I record some more videos for you guys. Thank you so much for watching again. I look forward to seeing you in another video. Bye, guys.